Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome videos. In this video we are going to see that how can we fix Google Chrome if it is not displaying any web page or throwing an error. So for this, the first step that you need to do is go to your start button, search bar, and just search for Google Chrome. Since Google Chrome is already shown over here for me in the top apps, I can just use this one only. And once you get your Chrome either through the search bar or in the top apps, you need to just right click and go to open file location. This will open the actual location where Google Chrome is installed. Over here you can see this is where I'm getting Google Chrome. So what you need to do is just right click over here and click on rename. Now what you can do is you can just rename it to anything, like adding a dot or something over here like this, and then you can just right click again and go to this option that allows you to create a shortcut. So basically you need to create a shortcut for this particular Chrome onto your desktop. So let's just quickly create that. So now my shortcut is created. In case you are not happy with the name that we have given, that is Google Chrome dot, then you can simply just right click here, click on rename, and then rename it to simple Google Chrome. Now if you just double click over here, then it would be able to show you the results. It will open up the web page and show you the results. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.